I'm Dr. Chris Donaghue. I'm a sex and relationship therapist, and part of my job is working with couples and individuals to help them have hotter, better, more intense orgasms, and also find ways to use their bodies and their sexualities to connect to each other, to connect to themselves, but more importantly, to find ways to have amazing kinds of pleasure. The benefits of prostate stimulation is that it can lead to longer, more intense, multiple orgasms. The anal area has stimulating nerve endings and can actually lead to orgasms that are 33% more intense. It's for anyone who wants to heighten their orgasms and also find more pleasure and new ways to connect to themselves and to their partners. It can help remove body shame because what it does is it tells us that our entire body has the capacity for pleasure and that all of our body can be incorporated into our sex lives with our partners. So fear and stigma is one of the most powerful forces that holds people back from exploring prostate stimulation. And that's unfortunate because again, our entire body has the capacity to give us pleasure. But we're socialized. Sex negative and body negative family values, homophobia, sexism, toxic masculinity, all these different forces come together to make you think that not everyone can engage in prostate stimulation. We have to learn how to unfreeze these body parts. We actually have body amnesia. We've been socialized to avoid touching certain parts of our bodies. But full pleasure and extending and expanding our orgasmic capacities mean that we have to push through these boundaries of fear and stigma. So the vectors for individuals and couples that want to try something new, but also who want to develop deeper intimacy. So using the vector, you have to expect to have a different kind of pleasure, new sensation, and different and new feelings of arousal. The vector is the first prostate massager that comes completely flexible, and it's made to give you a personal fit, but also to precisely hit the prostate in the exact right area. So relaxation and arousal are always going to be first important steps. You want to feel calm, but you also want to feel turned on and in the mood, because remember, this is all about pleasure and fun. The experts that made the vector know that all bodies are different, and that's why it's made customizable. Every aspect of the vector was designed for maximum comfort, safety, and pleasure. It has an adjustable head and a flexible base so that it can hit the key erogenous zones, the prostate and also the perineum. So instead of pleasure just being localized in your penis or groin area, you're going to feel it radiating throughout your entire body, wave after wave of pleasurable sensation. Most prostates enjoy gentle pressure, an on and off wave style of pressure. That's why a massaging prostate stimulator often feels best and can lead to the kind of full body orgasms that we're seeking. So next you want to stand up or lie down in a comfortable position. You then lubricate the vector, insert, and then lay back and enjoy your new pleasurable sensations. You can use it solo, with partnered sex, during oral, penetrative sex, with hand strokes, or even while using other toys. The WeConnect app, the remote control, and the customizable vibrations allow for a partner to choose for you the anticipation, the fun, and the sensations that you're going to experience. You also want to practice with the on and off functions so that in the middle of use, you don't have to learn then. And also using the remote, which allows for hands-free changing of the sensations and pulsations to find what is right for you and your body. When choosing a lube for your pleasure product, use a water-based lube that helps maintain the integrity of the product and also its longevity. What's special and important about the vector is it comes with two motors, dual stimulation, two separate motors where one will hit the prostate, the other hits the perineum, and both are customizable based on your body, the fit, and what you find pleasurable. Communication is one of the most important parts when we're trying new things sexually. So you want to talk about and share what feels good. You want to ask your partner if what you're doing is feeling good. And you want to make sure that you are continually adding lube. Because again, sex is about fun and pleasure.